Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to add always allowed apps on Mac. So the always allowed feature in screen time lets you choose app that should remain available even when screen time restrictions are active. This is useful if you have enabled downtime or set app limits but still want certain important apps like browser, messaging apps, calculator or work related apps to stay accessible. These selected apps won't be blocked when those screen time restrictions are in effect, so you can continue using them whenever needed. If you regularly rely on few apps throughout the day, adding them to always allowed list can help you avoid unnecessary interruptions while still limiting other apps. So if you'd like to add an app to always allowed list, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo at the top left and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to screen time and here click on always allowed in limit usage section. Now if the screen time is currently turned off, enable it first so that always allowed setting become available. Now scroll down to always allowed section and here you will see the list of installed app on your Mac. Simply find the app you want to keep available and turn on the toggle next to it. As soon as you enable the toggle, the app is added to always allowed list and you can repeat the same process for other apps that you want to keep accessible during screen time restrictions. Once done, those apps will remain available during downtime and will also stay accessible if you have applied all apps and categories app limit. This lets you continue using your important apps while other restricted apps remain blocked. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.